guys, I'm Karen.
Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome back.
In this video, I will show you how to differentiate genuine crystals, glass beads, and fake stones. I know that some of you may be frustrated buying crystals from online stores, even at a retail store. You know, fake ones are everywhere, especially the crystals with high clarity are difficult to tell. No matter you are a crystal lover or you are a jewelry maker, at least you need to know what you get from your sellers or your suppliers. I'm going to break this video into a few parts. The first part today, we will be talking about clear quartz, malachite, and tiger eye. Stay with my channel and make sure you watch the whole video. Tiger eye stones are popular all over the world. Therefore, some sellers will dye the tiger eye beads into brighter color, purple, purple red, green, blue, by the heat treatment to make them look good. What I'm showing you now is the color dye tiger eye, the green one and the blue one. I really do not recommend you to buy and wear these bracelets because I still believe it will bring your body potential harm, which I will show you a video later. And so far I have not seen any fake tiger eye stones in the market yet. And only the grading is different. It's very obvious. These two are top grade and this one is normal grade. I want to show you a lower grade, but I don't have the stones at the moment, but I'm sure I will show you someday. You can see the stripes clearly. The yellow and brown color spreading very evenly, while the normal grade does not have this effect. Now let's do a test here. I'm spraying the alcohol on top of the tiger eye bracelets. This one is natural color and this one is color dye. Okay, let's rub the natural color first. No color is fading because it's natural. Now let's look at the green one. Oops. The color is actually fading on the napkin, and just want to make sure that the elastic cord is brown, not green. So the color is from the beads. Malachite. Which one is genuine? Let me know your answer by leaving me a comment. Let's do a test. To be fair in the test, I make the bracelets with same size and same quantity of beads. The right one is 7.8 grams and the left one 13.8 grams. So the right one is fake. The left one is real. Fake malachites are usually made with plastic. It's very light, while the genuine malachite is heavy and cold. The color of genuine malachite has a wide range of green hues, only green, from dark to pale green. No black, no white like the fake one has. Now, one of the bracelets is made with glass beads. Let's do a test. The first one, 26.6 grams. second one, 27.8 grams. The third one, 22.5 grams. So this one is made with glass beads. If you are physically holding the bracelets, you will know which one is glass. Natural crystals, they have the ice cold feeling, which glass beads don't have, and they weigh heavier than glass. Since crystals are created from the earth, the non-top clarity clear quartz will have certain inclusions like this. Blue needle grow inside the clear quartz, and the imperfections like the clouds we call, and the rainbow is also one of the symbols. And clear quartz does not have any air bubbles like the glass beads have, except for the anhydrous crystal that the bubble can move around inside the crystal. But to be honest with you guys, even myself can't 100% tell which one is glass beads just from the online photo. And the sale price is no longer the guideline for a fake crystal, because I have seen many online sellers selling fake crystals at $100, $200 US. That is so insane. So if you really want to purchase a top clarity crystal jewelry online, you need to buy from a reputable seller, someone you can trust, like me of course, because I'll never break your heart. In the next video, we will be talking about rose quartz and garnet. Thank you for your time staying with me today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.